My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the Go High Level software. I built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my Go High Level affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Is it possible for me to somehow use vibe coding tools to basically build this out for customers and then use Go High Level in the backend to basically power it?
100%. Let me show you real quick. So the way that you integrate, let's say, are you using a tool like Lovable?
Yeah,
Re-
something like that. But I'm more
Replit,
into
Lovable.
Replits. That's what I want to use.
Replit. Awesome. Cool. I've heard of that. So the way that you integrate any Go High Level site with another, or the Go High Level software with any other website builder, whether it's Lovable, Replit, WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, all these different sites, is through the lead captures. So in Go High Level, right, we can build forms. And these forms, we can customize them to look however we want them to look, right? We can make it look a perfect color to match our Lovable website that we're building. So you'd edit it here, and then once you're done with this form, since this form was built inside of High Level, that's where all the leads will flow to when people fill this out. And so you just click integrate, you'll copy the embed code, and then you'll take this embed code over to Lovable and you'll say, here's the code for a form, place this form right here on the website. And then Lovable will do all the work, right? Because it's vibe coding and it'll put the form on there for you. So that's one way. Now, anybody who fills out that form, even though it's a Lovable site, you're using a Go High Level form. And so now these leads that fill the form out will flow into this sub account where the form was created into the contacts tab. Same thing with all the other lead captures. If you want to put a calendar on a Replit site or Lovable site, you create the calendar here in High Level, if this will ever load, and then you can copy the embed code of the calendar, take it back to Lovable. It'll paste it on there for you. You just have to give it the embed code. And then same thing with our, I don't know why it's not loading. Same thing with our chat widgets. Every chat widget you create you can customize the look of it, how you want it to look. And then same thing, all of these have like the get code button up here that you can go copy the code. And so now all the leads who message through the chat widget, even though it's on a Lovable site, for example, will still flow through Go High Level and be collected as a contact there. So anyway, that's how you integrate non-high level sites with high level. And so everything is still seamless. All the automations still trigger off like normal, even though these lead captures aren't on a native Go High Level site. And another part to your question, is something maybe you've already seen it, but Go High Level now has a vibe coding capability where you can prompt the website and it'll make changes as you prompt it. Have you seen it yet?
No.
So they have a new AI builder. You can prompt it to build the initial whole page. It's not like as good as a Lovable or Replit or any of those yet, but you can prompt your websites now and you can have it change little things here and there. So like for example, I'm just gonna pull up a crappy looking, site right here. Let's try this one. Um, and then we'll click edit here. So like inside the website builder now, you click on any section you want. So let's say it's like this hero section right here. You click it, and then over on the left, now that we've clicked it down here at the bottom left, it says hero is selected. Now you can prompt and you can say, change the text to white, change the background to this color, change the button to have like some sort of hover effect on it. And you can prompt it all down here, and then it'll change the things in real time. You can click any element and prompt it instead of doing the whole drag and drop like you had to do before. You can still do drag and drop. Sometimes it's easier to do like a drag and drop or just to like go here and change this rather than like prompt it, but like some things are better done through prompting and vibe coding. Some things are better done through just like clicking and changing really quick through the styling panel, but you have both options, which is cool. which I believe like Lovable can't really do the whole drag and drop thing. It can really only do the vibe coding. So it's cool they're combining vibe coding and then you can also do drag and drop. Like I said, not as good as a Lovable or some of those others, but it's still pretty cool if you want to try it out and build high level sites. It is easier just to kind of house everything in high level rather than make those integrations with like the embed codes, but those sites are
One of,
definitely better for building
yeah,
coding.
one of the reasons I asked is because some companies already have websites existing. That's why I
Mhm.
asked. Okay, so if they have a website existing, like I could do like an audit of the website and propose to them how we could improve on what they already have, so that this way we can easily integrate this thing. So it's nice to know that we can do that actually.
Yeah, this offer can 100% still be sold to businesses that have an awesome site. Maybe they just don't have the back end system that like nurtures the leads and hooks up to the AI agents and like the voice agent, the chat bot. And so you can say, "Hey, Mr. Business Owner," and they're like, "We don't want a new website." No worries. We can actually integrate our smart system into your current website and just charge you a monthly fee, and we don't have to charge you our setup fees like we normally charge because you already have the site. So like you can still get monthly recurring clients even if they're like, we don't need the website. So if you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free High Level Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.